You ever chased impact, built, achieved, even got the recognition, and still felt hollow? I have, because I thought legacy was something you left behind. Turns out, it's something you live. Today, we're unpacking the legacy paradox, why your impact feels empty, and how to fix it. Because ego driven legacies always feel hollow. Let's figure this out together. Welcome to Daily Power Boost. Ignite your potential, the podcast where your transformation begins. I'm Sean Michael, and each day I'll bring you quick, impactful insights and action steps to fuel your personal and professional growth. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a leader, or someone ready to break limits and ignite greatness, this is your daily power boost to crush obstacles, stay focused, and awaken the extraordinary potential within you. Because remember, greatness begins within. Let's go. Hey there, boosters. Welcome back to Daily Power Boost. I'm Sean Michael, here to help you lead and live from the inside out. Yesterday, we redefined recovery in the burnout comeback, how real healing is about realignment, not just rest. But today, we're tackling a deeper trap, the lie that legacy is about what you leave behind. I once knew a founder who built an empire, multi-million dollar company, awards on the wall, a reputation that stretched beyond his industry. But when he lost his company, he crashed. Why does it feel so empty? He asked me. Because his legacy wasn't a lie, it was an ego trap. First, ego-driven legacies are about status, not service. If your impact is about proving yourself, it will always feel hollow. It's not about the plaques on the wall or the followers on social media. It's about the way you make people feel, the lives you uplift, the principles you live. Second, real legacy is about who you become, not just what you build. It's the way you show up, the lives you touch, the principles you embody. It's not just the business you build, it's the courage you model, the integrity you maintain. When people remember you, do they remember your achievements or how you made them believe in themselves? Third, lasting legacy is soul aligned, not self absorbed. It's driven by what you stand for, not just what you stand on. It's the values you embody when nobody's watching. It's the courage to choose principles over popularity. It's the quiet impact you leave in someone's life, not just your name on a building. I remember a mentor once telling me, Sean, your legacy isn't what you leave, it's what you live. That changed everything. Let's take a breath and think about this. Where have you been chasing impact instead of alignment? What would change if your legacy was a reflection of your soul instead of your status? Because here's the truth, a soul aligned legacy doesn't need applause, it lives in the lives you touch. Follow these steps to flip it this week. Redefine impact. Write down what you want your legacy to be, then ask, is this about status or service? Live your values. Identify one principle you believe in deeply. Show up with it in every interaction this week. Invest in people, not just projects. Who in your life needs your time, your wisdom, your encouragement? And check your motives. Each time you take on a new project, ask, am I doing this to serve or just to be seen? Use your clarity to choose, your courage to change, your integrity to build. Legacy isn't a monument, it's a mirror. I've broken free from the lie that impact is about applause. And if I can, so can you. That's today's Daily Power Boost. Pick one, redefine, live, invest, or check, and build a legacy that actually matters. Show notes have more tools to help keep you sharp. And if you're ready to take this work deeper, join me inside the Real Mastery Hub, where growth is grounded, transformation is real, and you lead from true identity. Visit realmasteryhub.com. Loved this? Share it with someone chasing the spotlight. Give them back their soul. Tomorrow, we're tearing down a new trap with the charisma crash. Why being likable is the fastest way to lose respect. Because people pleasing isn't connection, it's control. Till then, live true, stay true, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in to Daily Power Boost. Ignite your potential. Remember, transformation starts with action. So take today's insight, make it your own, and awaken your inner potential. Because remember, greatness begins within. Catch you tomorrow for your next Power Boost.